What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So it's that time again to do some giveaways. Look, man, I've accumulated so much tech toys in 2019. A lot of product that I've already reviewed, I am never going to use it again. And I like to give back to the community, whether that's going to be the local community or my internet community. So what I'm going to do is I am going to do a giveaway every week up until Christmas. And I believe that I need to get rid of some of these tech toys that's sitting around collecting dust. I mean, very good stuff, whether or not it's going to be smartphones, VR headsets, and everything in between. So in this giveaway, I am going to give away the Vuzix video headphones. These are dope. I mean, these are one of the best VR headphones that I ever reviewed on my YouTube channel. And it's been sitting for months. And I'm going to give these away here in the first giveaway that I'm doing. But if you didn't see and you want to get excited on this giveaway, I'm going to show you the video here in a second on these headphones. And after the video, I'm going to let you know how you can enter into winning these headphones. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
The chosen.
That sound, I got that heat, let's go.
Guys, this is Eric again with another video. So I've been using the Vuzix headphones for a while now. I've been having it for a few months, and I've been pretty much using it a lot to play games and looking at a lot of content. It's more of a VR experience, and if you watch my first video, I would leave that link down in the description below. That I've absolutely loved these here. Shout out to Vuzix for sending these out for me, and I can tell you that one of the things that I like about these headphones, these VR headphones, is the drivers. The sound that come out of these cups here is absolutely amazing. It gets you sucked in really good when using the headphones. And as you saw, I was playing some Call of Duty. I'm a Call of Duty fan. Going all the way back to the old Call of Duties, and playing it with the VR headphones is absolutely amazing. So basically, you got 1080p screens that's in here, and when you put them on, you get sucked in the experience, which is a good thing. So one of the things that I do like about these headphones is all about the sound quality to me, right? Even though it does have 1080p screens on here, but it's all about the sound quality. So right here, you get a lot of controls. You get your bright mode here. You can go brighter, lower. Also, you got your volume controls that you can go up and down on your volume, and also an equalizer. So one of the things about this headset is that it is weighty. It does have a tether that you have to tether this to a phone or a PC. Now, let me tell you, I try to use this on a phone. I don't think the phone has enough power to drive this. So when they're trying to hook it up via HDMI to a phone, it didn't work for me. But I do have it to a PC and it works just great. And you do hook it up via HDMI. So coming from the PC to the headset, this is where you get your immersive experience. And I can tell you, it is a very good experience at that. It is a little weighty. It does have some heft to it, but you know, you have to get used to it. One of the biggest reasons to buy this is the sound quality. I mean, look at the drivers on this thing. Oh my God, I can tell you that putting this on, turning it all the way up, you are sucked into the experience. But overall, I'm loving it. I really do love it. So basically, when you put it on, you get this immersive experience. Now, right now, I see everything that's on my computer screen. And picking up my joystick here. All right, picking up my joystick, I'm ready to go. Now, what are the pros of having this is that it don't matter how you turn your head, the computer screen will always be centered. Another thing that I like about this, again, we're talking about the sound quality. The sound quality here is absolutely amazing. One of the cons that I have about this headset is that the battery life. Now, I've gotten about 3 hours of battery life, but if I crank the brightness all the way up a little bit and I'm playing very intense games with the volume all the way up, I tend to have less battery life. I'm going to give this headset 2 thumbs up because I like the very good experience that you get with these video headphones. And again, the sound quality is like no other. The 1080p screens on here is very good. The only thing that I don't like about it is the battery life is not that great. About 2.5, 3 hours of battery life if you're not plugged in. Also the tether, and it is a little weighty. But other than that, it is a very good headset. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. And I'm gonna tell you something, man. I'm hype about these headphones because I really do like them. Let me go ahead and tell you how to enter in this giveaway. All right, so let's get some disclaimers out the way because you got to do some disclaimers. This is a United States only giveaway. Unfortunately, I am not doing overseas giveaways right now, but I'm doing a United States only giveaway. I'm going to do a giveaway every week. I am going to announce every giveaway on my Wired Wednesday. So starting not this week or next week, I'm going to put dates down in the description below that I am going to give out the winner of each of these products that I'm going to give away every week up until Christmas on my Wired Wednesday. You will see videos every week of the giveaway that I'm doing here on this YouTube channel. All right, so in order to enter the giveaway, first, you have to subscribe. Listen, man, you have to be a subscriber to the channel, okay? The second thing is that you put in the comments, hashtag I want to win. That's it, hashtag I want to win. Now, here's the thing. Usually when we do giveaways, you got a lot of people that come out of nowhere that never subscribe to the channel, never watch no content on this YouTube channel, never even been around to any Wired Wednesdays or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to weed some of those people out so they're not just here for the giveaway. I've done this in the past and a lot of people won phones and all kinds of things in between just because they saw the word giveaway, they subscribed to the channel, they put in the hashtag or however they needed to do to win a product, and all of a sudden they won. So let's be clear. This is a United States only giveaway. This is for my subscribers that have been around for a while now, that's been subscribed to the channel for at least a month. I can go back and check it. Third thing is that I am going to do this giveaway. I'm going to announce the giveaway on my Wired Wednesday every Wednesday night. If you don't hear your name or if you don't participate in Wired Wednesday, you got 24 hours to claim your prize on the Wired Wednesday in the description or in the comments that you won the prize. All right, once you won, I will contact you or you can contact me via DMs on either email or I will contact you on Twitter or something like that. I will make sure that you are authenticated for the winner. And once you win, bam, I will get your address and information and I will send this product out to you. Usually when we do these giveaways, you got a lot of people that try to scam the system, that try to push to get the giveaways and stuff like that. I want to try to make sure that these giveaways are authentic and 100% possible for you guys. This is Eric from Vuzix Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about hashtag I want to win in all this glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.